I'm going to tell you all a little trick that I have been doing lately. Hello, Transurfer, and welcome to TransurfingTV. I am Renee Garcia, and this is my video on ending the battle. I was reading Reality Transurfing the other day, skimming through looking for something, and I found this chapter titled From Battle to Balance, and oh my God, I just melted because it's so amazing how we have worked ourselves up into a place where we are battling, and it's so self-built. It's like we have created the battle for ourselves. We've created the battle for ourselves, and then we spend a huge amount of mental energy and physical energy trying to overcome these battles that we've created. And there's another way. So I'm going to briefly read a paragraph of this that is just beyond words good. I mean, it's like there are a few paragraphs in this book that just that one paragraph alone has the potential to totally change someone's layer of reality. And I think this one is absolutely it. So, people spend a lot of time building walls based on a foundation of importance, only to bang their heads against it or try to crawl under it. Rather than trying to get over the obstacle, would not it be better to remove bricks from the foundation so that it crumbled? People tend to have a clear view of the obstacles in their way, but a very dim view of the foundation the obstacles are constructed on. Gosh, if you find yourself in a problematic situation, try and determine where you might have placed too much intensity, gone too far, became obsessive, consequently projecting excess importance. Determine the meaning something has for you and then let it go. The wall will crumble. Obstacles will disappear and problems will be resolved on their own accord. Okay? Wait for it. Do not try to overcome obstacles. Reduce their level of importance instead, y'all. I think that's gonna be my tattoo, my next tattoo. Do not try to overcome obstacles. Reduce their level of importance instead. Okay, so I'm going to tell you all a little trick that I have been doing lately. Well, I would have to say actually the last few years. And it's a really fun trick because it's very clarifying, it's very easy, and you realize quickly how stupid you've been. So this trick is, if I start feeling something, like something's not right, okay, like something's not going my way, or something's against an intention of mine, or I'm not seeing the result of something that I want to see, or something's not happening the way that I want to see it happen, I ask myself, why? Okay, now, okay, why is it not happening is kind of the first thing, but, and oftentimes I'm attributing importance, okay, so this is what we're getting to, these walls that we build with importance is exactly why we have the challenges to get to the thing we want. It's because we have created an imbalance, and balancing forces has come in and made our line of sight to the thing more difficult. Okay, so why? Importance, okay? Why do I have importance over this? Or why is this thing important to me? Okay, well, it's important to me because I've always wanted it. Why? Why have you always wanted it? Well, because I just thought that from a kid, this was the thing that you were supposed to do or something like that. Why? So remember that game when you were a kid where you just kept asking why? Like somebody would say something and you'd say, why? 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 Start asking yourself why. So if you are in a bad mood, okay, and you wake up, I see myself, I see my reality. Why am I in a bad mood? Why? Well, because I was feeling good today, and then halfway through the day, something triggered me. Oh, it was that conversation with that guy that I didn't like, and it upset me. Why? Okay, well, because he said this thing about me, and that offended me. Why did it offend you? And you could go on like this for like, I drive in my car and I think about these things. Okay, why am I feeling rushed right now? Okay, because I feel like I have to get to this place. Why? Well, because I have importance about being on time because I want to see this result. Why? And just go down that rabbit hole, and it essentially deteriorates your importance levels as you go down and break all that stuff apart. So one thing that I like to teach in my Mo Money course and my Becoming Magnetic course, which are booking, by the way, if you would like to sign up for one, please contact me. One thing that I love to teach is that many of our limiting beliefs, the seed of that limiting belief was something very, very insignificant. It was something that someone said to you when you were a kid. It was something that you encountered. Somebody making fun of you, something not going your way. Something happened, probably small, that your brain hooked onto. And if you can play this game of why, you can start tracking back to why you have excess importance surrounding that subject. So ending the battle. What battle do you need to end today, and why? Why are you battling with that thing? Well, ask yourself this question 100 times and I bet you can get to the root of it, and I almost would be willing to bet that once you get to the root, you will laugh at how small that seed was. So read that chapter, everyone. It's a good one. Battle to balance, ending the battle, asking yourself why, getting yourself to the root of why you have the importance level surrounding the subject, and how you can solve all of your problems by bringing down those importance levels. So with that, remember to like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love reality transurfing. Thanks so much for watching my video, everyone. Bye.